Hello, my name is Christina Laporte. This is my presentation for the Marketing Principles class that I started in the late start winter semester. My business name is Not for Parents, and my candy bar name is Chimp Crunch. Not for Parents was founded with a rebellious spirit and lofty objectives to create fun-shaped candy bars for the whole family to enjoy at an affordable price. I chose this to remember to focus on the fun, family-friendly aspect that a business can be. My primary target market would be kids and adults ranging from 5 to 17, the Generation Z in the middle class in the Midwest location of Wisconsin. The lifestyle would be a healthy, active lifestyle in the rural or city area. They like to go camping, hiking, involved in sports, and entertaining. The ingredients for Chimp Crunch are chocolate chips, mint chips, and Crispies. The cost of production for the wholesaler to the reseller is $1.50. My profit would be $1 or 33.3%. The retail profit would be 49 cents or 24.6%. Suggested retail price is $1.99. One of my competitors is Nestle Crunch. The average cost for the bar is $1.99. The ingredients are milk chocolate and crispy rice. They are primarily located in Target, Shopko, Walmart, Aldi's, Pick and Save, IGA, Quick Trip, R Store, BP, and Shell. And the difference between my candy bar and Nestle is I have added mint chips. Another competitor is Hershey's Crackle. Again, it sells for $1.99. The ingredients are milk chocolate, vanilla, rice flour, sugar, and they are rolling out in the same retailers: Target, Shopko, Walmart, Aldi's, Pick and Save, IGA, Quick Trip, R Store, BP, and Shell. And again, the main difference is I have added mint chips. When my initial rollout comes out, I'm going to go to Play It Again Sports, which is a sports store that sells equipment, and Chase Outdoors, which is a hunting, fishing, camping store. My strengths are that I am a determined, highly experienced owner-operator, and I can produce the candy bar at a low production cost. My weaknesses: there are similar competitor products in the market, and I'm not able to be flexible with pricing. My opportunities are I can develop a healthy line of bar and I can sell online. And my threat is I do not have any fixed business costs, so if insurance or production costs rise, it will affect my bottom line. And my candy bar may be too similar to the competition, and I won't have any longevity. My logo is "Give it a try, it will make your parents cry." I'm sorry, my slogan. It's not generic, and it can cover a variable of products that I would want to create. Some of the promotions in the media that I would run or go to would be the radio: 95.5, 94.7, 101.9. I would run the ads in the school months between 6:30 and 7:30 before the kids go to school. And then again, after school, 3 to 5. And in the summer months, I would hit that lunchtime when the kids are maybe in the house having lunch, having the TV or radio on. News stations: WSAW, WAOW. I would create a trade agreement to run for commercials, and again, run them before and after school, and in morning, at lunchtime, in the summertime. The newspaper: Wausau Pilot and Review, City Pages, Wausau Daily Herald. I would run the ads Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Those are the days that a lot of the promotional ads for other businesses come out, so people generally have more subscriptions on those days. Social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snap. You're going to want to create accounts on all those social media sites and post daily updates on production, products, promotions, locations, and get as many followers as possible. The promotions for consumers: some of the ones that I would offer would be a discount percentage for following those different social medias. Buy one, get one, point cards, send out a random text message blast with different locations and different promotions, or bring in a non-perishable food item and get a discount off a candy bar. As far as the trade commissions, we could or trade promotions. We could put coupons on our wrapper. You could put radio stations on the ads on radio stations, free candy bars for the retailers, promotions, and free displays for the products for the trade. This is the copy, or this is a picture of my candy bar wrapper. It has the name and the slogan on it. And I put a little monkey on there because I thought it went well with the whole idea of the candy bar. And that's everything. Thank you very much.